I just tested the absolutely cheapest way to make YouTube thumbnails with AI in 2026. And the results that I got are so good that it literally made me question why I've ever paid a thumbnail designer a single dollar. And I'm talking about thumbnails that look like the top 1% of creators made them, generated literally in seconds for less than the price of a cup of coffee. For example, this one right here or this one, both were literally generated in seconds. By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to do this on your channel completely for free. Okay, so the first thing I need to prove to you is that your thumbnail matters more than anything else. You could make the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail isn't good, you're not going to get views. And to prove that to you, I wanted to show you Dr. Jones right here. If we scroll back on his channel, before I started helping him with his thumbnails and showing him how to actually make good thumbnails, we could see that he used to upload content that looked like this. 150 views, 780 views, 480 views. Now I have literally never watched one of Dr. Jones's videos before, but if we look, once we started to change his thumbnails, 100,000 views. Literally the first video that we changed his thumbnails. The next one, 23,000, 56,000. 200,000, 300,000. When I started helping him with his thumbnails, he had less than 10,000 subscribers. Now, in less than a year, he's got over 200,000 subscribers. He gets on average over 100,000 views every single day. And the estimated monthly earnings just from AdSense on his channel is over $9,000. And all of this is attributed to one thing, fixing his thumbnails. So that better and cheaper way for you to be able to create YouTube thumbnails is going to be using Pikzels. Because if you go to the pinned comment below right now, you can get your first 20 thumbnails that you make with it for free. And you're going to get full access with no games. And if you want to follow along with this video and test it on your own channel, grab it now and then come right back here. Now here are all the reasons that Pikzels is so much different. Why I genuinely think that this is the future of YouTube packaging. So reason number one that Pikzels is incredible is because they have this recreate feature right here. There's this saying in the creator economy that you should steal like an artist. What does that mean? That you shouldn't be trying to come up with every idea yourself. Instead, you should look for people that are already seeing success either in your own niche or in a niche adjacent to yours, and then actually steal what they're doing. For example, if we come over here, we could see this video right here, uploaded 2 months ago, is approaching 100,000 views. And guess what? If we wanted to, we could actually come over here, we could copy the link address, we could come over into Pikzels right here, and we could actually post in the link, and we could get this to actually recreate this thumbnail so that we can make a video just like this. For example, I really like this right here, but what I want to do is I want to, instead of no more shorts jail, I'm going to make it say get out of shorts jail. So we're going to come over here. We're going to say, make the text say get out of shorts jail in bright yellow. Now what this is going to do, we're going to click on generate. This is actually going to go through. This is going to take that thumbnail from the link that we provided. It is going to recreate it. And this is one of the easiest ways for you to be able to take something that worked for somebody else, either in your niche or in an adjacent niche, and very quickly be able to recreate it. In fact, look at how quick this is doing this. And what's even awesome is that we could get this to generate multiple different versions if we wanted to. For example, we could get it to make 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, it doesn't matter, so that you could build up several different variations, and then you actually have a bunch of different options you could test, for example, with an A/B test on YouTube. And this feature right here is literally worth the tool right here. Look at this. We have get out of shorts jail. It recreated this exact thumbnail with the exact changes that I wanted. And then we also have this one right here that is slightly different. You'll be able to notice very slight differences between the two. And we could also see that this has now gone through and this has scored this. So this has scored this on virality, tells us why, on clarity, tells us why, an idea tells us why, on curiosity tells us why. And if we don't like this score here, 75 is I could click on one click fix, and what this will actually do is go through and fix it and create a thumbnail that's going to get me a higher score. And now, as you can see, we're going to have multiple different variations of this literally in seconds. And now just like that, this is almost done, and we're going to have a thumbnail that should have a higher score. And guess what? If we wanted to change something about this, we could go ahead and change this. For example, this is specifically about YouTube Shorts. We might want to do it for long form content or something like that. And then look at this. This went through, and this actually created a better thumbnail here, which I actually think is a lot better also. And we could see this scored an 86. So now guess what? We could A/B test these thumbnails, or we could just go with this one because it's predicting this will help us go viral. Now, the next reason that Pikzels is incredible is because we could actually just prompt this to create thumbnails if we wanted to also. As we can see right here, we could add in an image if we wanted to add anything in. In addition to that, we could add in styles. Like I've actually created styles for one of my YouTube channels. If I simply just click on this, it's already gone through and analyzed my page and actually knows how I create my thumbnails, and it will actually create one in my style. Or I could add in my persona right here. What this will do is actually put me in the thumbnail instead of some random person if it's going to put somebody inside of the thumbnail. For example, I'm going to come over here. I'm actually going to use my persona and I'm going to prompt it with this. I want to create a Ferrari F450 review. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to generate this with 2. We're going with prompt. I'm going to click on generate, and now this is actually going to go through and this is going to create a thumbnail for a Ferrari F40 review with me in it. And the best part about this is I didn't have to write out some really complex prompt. Pikzels is already trained on how to actually make thumbnails that get clicks on YouTube. So we didn't have to go through prompt optimization or anything like that, because this will actually do it for us. In addition to that, if the result that we get doesn't get a high viral score from Pikzels, guess what we could do? We could use that one-click fix again, and this will actually go through and edit and fix the thumbnail, adapt the prompt so that we get something that Pikzels is more confident is actually going to do well. And it is trained on literally billions of views on YouTube, so it understands exactly what kind of thumbnails, what kind of titles, and ultimately what kind of packaging actually gets views on YouTube. Now we could see this has gone through and created 2. I really like the one on the left right here. I think it's great that it messed up my hair. It kind of goes with the overall vibe of what we're actually going for right here. And we can see that this did get a higher score than this one. And if we wanted to, again, we could click into the score, click on one click fix, and this is now going to go through and this is going to change everything about it in order to actually give us a thumbnail that is predicted to do way better on YouTube. And what I found is whenever I go with a thumbnail that has a higher score, guess what? It increases the odds that I get more views and I end up going viral. And again, what I really love is just how quickly this actually goes through and fixes things. No going back and forth, no paying a thumbnail designer, which are all pluses because this literally does the work for us. We simply just point and describe what we want and it goes off and does it, which is amazing because again, I don't have to pay for Canva. I don't have to stitch together a bunch of tools. I don't have to worry about ChatGPT messing everything up because this does it perfectly. And now that this is done, this looks incredible. The Ferrari, much bigger. The text, much bigger. Says cease and desist, which is something Ferrari's known for, which is incredible. And again, this photo of me looks great. We could see that this has a way higher viral score if we wanted to. We could actually compare this to the old thumbnail right here so we could see everything that's actually changed. And I think this new thumbnail is perfect. Again, why I love this tool. Now, the third reason that Pikzels is awesome is something that I touched on before, but it's going to be these personas right here. In order to create one, you literally just click on create right here, and this will walk you through exactly what you actually want to do. You basically want to upload 3 photos of yourself, and you can actually name yourself. So I'm going to put in Rob right here, and then I'm going to grab 3 photos. And then this is actually going to be able to face swap me onto any thumbnail that I want or anything like that. And this isn't going to look like some completely different person or a distant cousin. In fact, this is one of the #1 complaints about AI thumbnails is that they don't actually look like the person. So let's actually try this. So now I got my 3 images uploaded here. We're just going to change this name right here. Now this is going to go through and this is going to create my AI persona that I can then face swap onto any thumbnail that I want right here. And we can see it's going through and processing quick. Once this is done, we'll be able to throw me on anything that we want. For example, let's say that we come over here and we like one of Dr. Jones's thumbnails. I am going to come over here and I'm actually going to grab this one right here. So what we could do, again, we could come over here, we could copy the link address, we could come back over into Pikzels right here. We're going to grab the link and we're going to say, do a face swap with my persona on this thumbnail. Now what we're going to be able to do, we're going to be able to come under persona. This again is almost done processing. We're going to click on it and then it will allow us to recreate it. Now, just like that, this is going through, this is generating this, and I cannot wait until you see the results because it really is incredible how accurately it does this and how we're now just able to take any thumbnail that's done well for a competitor, somebody in an adjacent niche, anything like that, and be able to put our face on it without having to do a photo shoot, having to use Photoshop, Canva, anything like that. The AI does it for us. And again, I really can't emphasize how easy this makes the entire process because you could recreate any thumbnail that you want. You could prompt to any thumbnail that you want. And look, this literally went through. It even added a suit on me. This looks exactly like me. And the other thing that I wanted to show you is if we come over here into new chat, we could add styles right here. What this actually allows us to do is create a style. So we could upload our YouTube channel. For example, my AI channel is going to be at The Real Rob the AI Guy. So I'm actually going to grab this and I'm going to put this right here. We're going to click on continue, or you could actually upload your thumbnails. And then what you're going to be able to do is choose different thumbnails that are actually going to encompass what your style is. And we're going to click on generate right here. And now this is going to understand exactly what my style is. And we could go through recent videos, or we could go through popular videos. This is then going to create the style. And now you're going to have a visual brand, a look, and consistency amongst all the different thumbnails that this is actually going to create for your channel. And I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like once this processes. Okay, so now we actually have this style here, and what we could do is I'm going to choose prompt right here. We're going to click on this and I'm going to say, create a thumbnail for a video about 10 hidden ChatGPT settings. Now, we chose my style right here, so this knows exactly how I make my thumbnails, and this is going to run off and it is going to make them consistent with how I actually create the thumbnails on my channel, which again, think about it. If we hired a designer, it'd take some time for them to understand our style. It'd be a huge pain in the neck. We'd probably have to go back and forth with them multiple times, and every time being like, hey, this isn't how I do things. But guess what? The AI picks up on it immediately when you use this styles feature. And now here we have it. We're going to get 2 thumbnails incredibly quickly, incredibly cheaply for this video right here. That is actually something I'm going to be uploading soon. So we could see that made this one on the right here. Looks pretty awesome. And then we also have this one on the left, 10 hidden settings. Now, personally, I like the one on the left a little bit better, but I'm very curious to see how this actually scores these. And we can see the score on the right wasn't that great. Curious to see what the score on the left is going to be. Looks much higher, but what I'm going to do is do a one-click fix on this. Now, while this goes off and fixes this, I did want to show you one other feature that really makes Pikzels a no-brainer, because just your thumbnail is only half the equation when it comes to packaging on YouTube. The other half of the equation is actually going to be your title. And what you're now able to do is come over here and explain exactly what you want to make a video for. For example, make a title for a video about 10 hidden ChatGPT settings. We could click on generate. Again, we could choose how many it's actually going to create. And what this is now going to do is this is actually going to give us title ideas, not based on random AI slop, but based on what is actually working right now on YouTube, so that we can use these titles and package it with the thumbnail that we have this creating over here. And guess what? We're going to have the full package. Now we have this thumbnail right here, which I think is a lot bigger. It's a lot better. It's a lot brighter. And we're going to be able to pair that with these different title ideas. And guess what? From this, we could either copy it, we could reuse it in a prompt in order to make it better if we want to, or we could also generate thumbnails directly from these titles, which is awesome. Now let's talk about the part that actually matters, the math behind this. If you're hiring a designer, one, you're spending anywhere from $20 to $50 for every thumbnail that they make, and you're probably waiting like up to 3 days in order to get the thumbnail back and to go back and forth on revisions. So if you make a minimum of just 4 videos a month, that's going to cost you anywhere from $80 to $200. On top of that, you're going to have to go back and forth with them so many different times, and you're going to waste a lot of your time. And if you're using a stack of generic AI tools, for example, ChatGPT at $20, Canva Pro at $15, Midjourney at $30, then what you're doing is you're wasting your time stitching all these different tools together, and you're quite frankly just paying too much money when you add up all those different subscriptions. And Pikzels allows you to replace all of that. It's one tool, you get a faster output, and you get better results. And right now, if you go to the pinned comment below, you could get your first 20 thumbnails for free with no payment up front. On top of that, Pikzels is already being used by hundreds of thousands of creators, including some of the biggest channels on YouTube. And if the teams behind these massive YouTube channels and YouTube brands are all moving to Pikzels, then you should be too. Because if you're still opening up a Canva, you're hiring a thumbnail designer on Fiverr, or you're arguing with Midjourney or ChatGPT to get it to spell right whatever you want on your thumbnail, then you're going to get left behind on YouTube in 2026. Because the creators that are winning right now on YouTube are using tools that are specifically built for YouTube and not generic ones. So what are you waiting for? Go to that pinned comment below and get started with Pikzels today, where you're going to get your first 20 thumbnails for free.